If you've ever asked yourself, how do I actually know when to enter? This is for you. Because in the last video, I told you I trade one repeatable entry pattern, the same one I use in nearly all my trades. It's called CISD. And once you understand it, you'll stop taking random setups and start catching real smart money reversals with confidence. Let me break it down. CISD stands for compression, inducement, sweep, displacement. It's not a made-up acronym. It's how smart money moves right before they strike. Let's walk through each point. Step number 1, compression. This is where price moves into a level slowly, stacking liquidity, building orders, tightening the range. Think of it like a spring coiling up, because compression shows build-up. And where there's build-up, there's going to be release. This is a leading signal that shows you what is going to happen next. Step number 2, inducement. Now price makes a fake move. It'll push above a high or below a low to bait early entries. Retail traders jump in, but smart money, they're setting the trap. They induce emotional trades, entries based on fear, FOMO, or impatience. This is where most traders enter and get wicked out, but not us. We wait patiently. Step number 3, sweep. Here's the key. After the inducement, price sweeps liquidity. It takes out a previous high or low, and this is the moment most people panic. But for us, this is a signal. The market did just what it had to do to grab liquidity, fake people out, and set the stage for the real move. We're almost ready. Step number 4, displacement. This is the confirmation. After the sweep, we want to see price displace aggressively in the opposite direction. This is the power move, the one that confirms smart money just took control. Once we see displacement from the sweep zone, that's the entry. No more guessing, no more waiting for extra confluence. We're in with confidence. Now here's why this model is different from what most traders do. Most people either enter too early before the trap is set, or wait too long and miss the real move. CISD solves both. It shows you what price is doing. It tells you why the move is happening, and it gives you a clear signal that smart money is stepping in. This pattern repeats everywhere, all the time. On crypto, on Forex, indices, on the 1 minute, 15 minute, 4-hour charts. And once you start spotting it, your confidence goes up and your stop outs go down. So the next time you're unsure, don't just enter because you're in a POI. Watch for the CISD, compression, inducement, sweep, displacement. That's your entry. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to automate this setup with my SMCX indicator. It's going to give you the clarity you need to hit buy or sell with confidence.